I'm Carmion Hamilton, and I'm working with Tastemade to turn this home office into a warm, inviting guest oasis. With a little help from the Home Depot, we'll bring personality and life to make this guest room and office stylish and cozy. On the Home Depot app, you can browse endless options and find pieces for you and your space. They also have an online tool that helps you estimate how much wallpaper you'll need for your project. Let's start there. Wallpaper is a simple way to completely change the aesthetic. Oh my gosh, I love this. What a difference wallpaper can make. Let's keep this design going. This desk will be perfect. It has storage drawers, it's sturdy, and looks great in the space. For unique style, bring in different colors and textures. A sleeper sofa is a great way to create an office that's also a guest room. This gorgeous sofa opens to a comfy queen-size bed. Styling a bookshelf is so fun. You can really get creative. What a dramatic change. This home office and guest room has been completely transformed with furniture and decor, all from the Home Depot.